Every citizen of this country has decided to turn this crisis into an opportunity. We have to make this a major turning point for this nation. And what is that major turning point? A self-reliant India. Hello everyone, I'm here to speak on the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. So what is Atmanirbhar? What does it mean? It means being self-sufficient, being self-reliant. As you all know, I'm here to speak on the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. So till now, you all must have known what I'm going to speak or talk about. It is about India being self-sufficient and India being self-reliant. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not just in phrase. It is an abhiyan, an initiative taken by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to turn this country into a bigger and more important part of the global economy. Pursuing policies that are competitive, effective, resilient, and being self-sustaining. The first mention came in the form of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission during the announcement of COVID-19 pandemic related to economic package on 12 May 2020. Atmanirbhar Bharat does not mean self-containment or isolating from the rest of the world or being protectionist. Atmanirbhar Bharat has 5 main elements, and those are: first, economy; second, infrastructure; third, technology; fourth, vibrant demography; and fifth, demand. Modi drew inspiration from Swami Vivekananda. Quoting him, Modi said, "The simplest method right now is to induce Indians to use their own produce and to make market for Indian artware in foreign countries." This path shown by Swami Vivekananda is an inspiration for India in this past-COVID world. As the part of Atmanirbhar Bharat package, numerous reforms were taken, such as changing the name of MSMEs, inviting more participation from private in the various sectors, then increasing the foreign direct investment for defense. This vision got support from many different sectors, such as solar manufacturer sector. The main slogan for this mission are vocal for local or make for world. So vocal for local talks about producing products in India and promoting them also. And make for world should go hand in hand with make in India. As rightly quoted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that we have to make bold economic reforms. At this time, we have to take our nation from control and command and turn it into a plug and play. This isn't time for conservative approach. This is the time we have to make bold decisions and bold investments for the better domestic supply chain globally. Thank you.